Hello guys! One little trick for those who wants to make their nose smaller. Today we're gonna talk about wide nose. Not necessarily long, but wide here. So what does create that nose? Why does it look like that? Only the light and the shadows. The shadows draw the picture of a nose on our face. If there were no shadows, there are no nose. I personally love wide noses. I love wide bridges of the noses because it gives that very tigery effect to them. We're not gonna talk about heavy contouring today, like that type of contouring that girls show, like drawing on those small brown lines here in the middle of the nose. Let's do it for every day. What would you do if you have just 5 minutes for your makeup? You won't be able to draw all those lines. All you need to do is to blur the difference between the shadow and the light area. You can do it two ways. You can take any light product, lighter than your skin. It can be light powder, it can be lighter concealer, light foundation. This is illuminizer. It has some light reflecting particles in it and it doesn't cover completely. It's great for every day. You apply it on the sides of the nose. We make the shadows around the nose smaller. Like that. And the next thing you do, you take any contouring powder and you make the overall contouring of your face. Just apply it on your cheeks. Then take some powder, take some excess off, apply it right in the center of your nose, somewhere from here where your eyes are, like on your eyes level, and down, like that. Right on the tip. Make that whole area darker. What have we done? We made that lighter, we made that darker, so we kind of did opposite things that we already have. So that way it doesn't necessarily shape in the nose, giving that different shape. I would not recommend applying the contouring powder here between your brows because we want this area even color. So to avoid any frowning effect, okay? It also gives our face a very relaxed feeling. I know some girls, when they show you how to contour the nose, they start somewhere from the brow and they go like that. You can do that too. It can be pretty visible on a daylight because you're kind of reshaping the whole thing. And if you have it wider, there's nothing bad in that. I think it's beautiful when it's wider here. But make sure you do it just a little bit because it's a contouring powder. It has some gray colors in it. And if you apply too much, then it can look dirty. You have to have same color somewhere else on your face. It doesn't have to be just the nose because it will look completely dirty. If you have more intense of that color on the cheeks, then no one will ever pay attention on your nose. And you can make it even more natural by applying some blush on it. I suggest you to choose matte blush. If you don't have matte blush, take any lipstick. It can be even red lipstick. You do that, take some excess off, apply some on your cheeks, so same color should be somewhere on the face. Maybe some here, because this is where the sun hits us. It will actually give you a very healthy look. It's not necessarily only for the girls who want to make their nose smaller, and what's left here, you apply on the tip of your nose and maybe a bit here. Maybe a bit on the chin, somewhere here. So it will look all together, it will look like you just got some sun. It will blur the shadows on your face a little bit and it will give you a very soft makeup, very soft effect. And at the same time you spend several seconds on that makeup and you're good to go. So let me know if you tried it, if that worked. Please subscribe to my channel. Ask your questions down below and I will make separate videos to answer those questions. Thank you and goodbye.